Hey guys, it's Ted with OAXRAY, and today we're going to talk about something that may be coming soon from Amazon that may help mitigate some of your healthcare cost. So if you've been checking out the news recently, if you follow our OAXRAY page on Facebook.com, you're going to know that Amazon and a few other companies have been getting together. Warren Buffett and JPMorgan and Jeff Bezos have been getting together to conquer the healthcare problems that we're having, which is rising healthcare prices rising really quickly, and some issues with care. Now, if you have been selling on eBay at all, or you're a power user on eBay, I actually have a friend who's a power user, and recently eBay offered her insurance. So some people need health insurance. You might go through the Obamacare exchange. eBay has created its own, or gotten with someone to create its own insurance product, so that if you get sick, you can be covered under eBay's umbrella. And since there's so many sellers on eBay, it's a large buying group. I think Amazon might be getting on to that same train here soon. So the prices are rising. One of the reasons they're rising is people are entering and exiting the healthcare market. So whenever someone's not sick, they may not buy insurance for that year. They realize that they might be getting sick, maybe a disease that's going to be very expensive. Then they hop into that Obamacare market, and it makes it so that it's more expensive for everyone else who's been paying the entire time. So Amazon might figure out a way and have some type of cutoff of, if you sell over $20,000 a year, you are eligible for some kind of insurance. And I'm really interested in this because there's a lot of people who sell on Amazon, and one of the first things that we hear every time is, how do you handle healthcare insurance? I'm lucky. My wife, she has a good job that gives her great insurance, and her insurance allows me to not have to keep a job because I don't have to worry about insurance. I'm covered under hers. But there's a lot of people who may not be eligible for their spouse's insurance or their parents' insurance. So Amazon tackling this is going to be an awesome deal. There's over 2 million Amazon sellers. So Amazon has a huge buying group of people who can all get in, and they can all say, we're interested in, whatever the plan is that they deem good. And it will be all around the United States, depending on where you are and the different rules in your area. But it just looks like an awesome way for Amazon to not only help out their sellers, which they have millions of them, but for all those entrepreneurs who are like, I can't make the jump from my job over to Amazon because I might have a child who has a chronic condition that requires constant medication or things like this. This is going to make it so much easier for those families, for those people who may not have those options, to move on over to Amazon. I know this was a huge concern when I wanted to go to Amazon, and we had to make that choice, me and my wife, and luckily she was in a position where she had insurance that would cover the entire family. So keep an eye out on your Amazon account. You may be seeing something about Amazon offering some kind of health insurance, or maybe they are going to have some kind of plan under their umbrella for sellers. And once they do this, this is going to make the way you sell on Amazon completely different, because it gives so many more people the opportunity to hop on Amazon. And what it's going to do is it's going to be competing with people who want to get a job only for the insurance. They're also going to be able to look at Amazon and say, man, I can sell on Amazon, and as long as I sell $20,000 a year or whatever it is, I qualify for this health insurance plan. It's going to cost you some money out of your pocket, but for a lot of people, having that extra option is going to be an awesome experience. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and make some money using OAXRAY.
Please like and subscribe, and if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.